Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a professional editing program. This program called DaVinci Resolve. This editing program is mostly used for color grading, and the best part is it's free. I will put the link in the description and you can download the program through the link. When you go to their website, down below you will see DaVinci Resolve free download now. Click it and then select your operating system. I'm using Windows, that's why I will select Windows, and this pop-up screen will appear. Fill in the blanks with your information. And after you've done that, DaVinci Resolve automatically downloads itself to your computer. If the download does not begin automatically, you can start it by pressing this button, and I will save it to my desktop, then hit save. As you can see, our file is here. I will extract the WinRAR. You will get this setup file. Double click it. As you can see, it's extracting. This is the DaVinci Resolve installer. I already installed this program, that's why I won't install it again, but you just need to press the install button and that's pretty much it. Now I want to open the program to show you what it looks like. This is the page where you can make projects, and I will go with untitled project, but as you can see, this is my other project. Double click the untitled project. As you can see, this is the DaVinci Resolve's UI. When you first open the program, it will look like this, and as you can see, we have the pages for everything. With these pages you can do what you need. If you want to cut specific things from your video, you need to go to the cut page, or if you want to edit everything at once, you can go to the edit page. And if you want to make special effects, you need to go to the fusion page. If you want to make a color grade, you can go to the color page, and if you want to edit your audio, you can go to the Fairlight page. Finally, once you have finished editing, you can render the video on the deliver page. By the way, if you wonder what is going on in this media page, you can just drag and drop or select your media like videos, pictures and music. I can't cover all you need to know in this program, but this video just about gives you an idea of what the program looks like. I will go back to the edit page. As you can see, we have effects section, and you can just drag and drop the titles, transitions to your video. As you can see, we add the title sample. If you want to edit this title, just click it and go to inspector, and then as you can see, you can change the title. We can write 404 found, and we can change its size, tracking, line spacing, and down here we can change the bottom text as well. I will make it the same, 404 found. By the way, some effects just for the DaVinci Resolve Studio version, we cannot use those effects. If we use those effects, this DaVinci Resolve Studio watermark will appear in our videos, but 90% of the effects don't include that. That's why you can use how you like. Apart from those special effects, there is no watermark in this program. To be able to use those effects, you need to buy their studio version, but you don't need to buy the studio version for making edits. Without the studio version, you can make anything you want. I've been using this program for about 1.5 years, and I didn't need one of the special effects. Now I want to show you how they look. In this effect page, video transitions like this, audio transitions, titles, generators, effects, open FX, filters, and we have audio effects. Now I want to show you how they look on video. To be able to show this, I will drag and drop an example video. When you drag your video, you need to drop to the media pool and then drag the video and drop to the timeline. You can cut the parts you don't want to be in there with this razor tool. Click the parts that you don't want to be in like this, and after you're done, click the selection tool and click the clip and press delete. For example, I want to add a transition to my video. Simply, I will select one of the transitions. I will select blur dissolve, drag the transition and drop where you want to add. And when we watch here, as you can see, we successfully add the transition to our video. By the way, in the inspector, you can change the video's zoom, position, rotation angle. You can crop left, right, top, bottom, or you can adjust the softness or the other settings. I hope you get a basic idea of this program. I can't cover all the things that you need to know in this program. To be able to do that, you need to watch DaVinci Resolve tutorials if you want to learn this program, but in my opinion, this program is very stable, so powerful for making a color. It has the best tools, and best of all, it is free. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.